The status of yesterday's exercise? Tried? Not tried? Done, sir. All. You could do all. You could do all. Or some problems are there. According to me, it was easy. Yeah. Few doubts. Okay, fine. We'll take them. We'll take them. First, we'll revise. Then we'll come to that 7.1 and we'll move further. Okay. Yeah, whatever it is. Kejal is saying 2 questions. Mano is saying 1 or 2 questions. Okay, fine. आंसर्स आने चाहिए ना दोस्तों. उधर पीछे आंसर देख के हाँ ये बराबर है तो मतलब नहीं ना. एग्जाम में आपको आंसर मिलने वाला है क्या? नहीं. हिंट क्वेश्चन में मिलने वाले है क्या? नहीं मिलने वाले. विदाउट हिंट आपको आंसर्स आने चाहिए. मींस एक्सरसाइज समटाइम यू गेट सम हिंट. Okay, that hint won't be given to you in the exam. Without hint, answers are चाहिए. And keep practicing. I'll announce within the lecture also. Now also I'm announcing Sunday test will be on time value of money. Time value of money. Sunday test. Timing 11 o'clock. I'll announce that. Time 11 o'clock. Okay. Marks 10 to 15 marks. Not more than that. 11 o'clock means you can start from 11 to 11:15. In between that. You can start at 11, 11:05, 11:10. Last is 11:15. If you start after that, you'll get less time. Let's start. Majority of you are there. Revise first. Quick revision. Okay. Questions, wherever there is question, I'll just skip them. The other part, I'll just revise through. Then we'll go through 7.1. Then we'll do some set. And then at the end, permutation, combination, some homework sums. Okay. Dear students, see this. I don't have any problem discussing each and every sum. Okay. Which is they were given there. 2 disadvantages of solving each and every sum here. Number 1, if I solve it, you will not solve on your own. In exam, I will not be there. So you should know how to solve the sums. I'm taking so many sums here. Similar sums I'm taking. Purposely, I'm avoiding the questions which are there in the question bank. That is in exercise. Other similar questions I'm taking. Like in the exercise, there is a question on Allahabad. I'm taking here on Maharashtra. If they're saying there are 8 gates to be arranged, I'm taking here some as 10 gates to be arranged. Something like that. Okay, that is one. Second, if I start solving each and every sum, it will take time. Okay, we have to finish our portion also in timely manner. Okay, keep doing it. It's in your interest, not in my interest. Chalo, let's start revision. Important points to remember. Last lecture we started from this point. If you remember, the first point says every set is a subset of itself. Subset, not proper set. Subset. Okay. If set A is having elements as 1, 2, 3, then a subset of A can be having elements as 1, 2, 3. Even null set can be there. Singleton 3 sets will be there. 1, 2, 3, and we know that formula also. 2 raised to n subset, and proper set 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay. Every empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Phi has no proper subset. Phi is a subset of itself, but it is not having proper subset. Phi will be equal to 5. Then A, what is that sign? C sign is, what that sign is? Subset. A subset B and B subset A, that means A is equal to B. If A is subset of B, it is whatever there in A is present in B. And then whatever is present in B is present in A, then A is equal to B. Phi, Phi is a proper subset of every set except itself. खुद का प्रॉपर सबसेट नहीं है वो, क्योंकि इक्वल हो जाएगा. एंड प्रॉपर सबसेट कैन नॉट बी इक्वल. The total number of subset of a finite set containing n elements is 2 raised to n. Okay. We saw different types of sets: finite set, infinite set. What was the other? Null set, singleton set, equal set, equivalent set. Okay. Total number of proper subset of a finite set containing n elements is 2 raised to n minus 1. This is a question. I will not discuss this question. Proper set. Sorry, power set here. Power set. What is power set? Set of all subset. Set of all subset is called as power set. Let A be any set. A set of all subset of A is called as power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. For example, set A is having 1 and 2. 2. So it will have how many subset? 2 raised to 2, which is 4. And set of that 4 will be called as power set. So power set of A, that is P of A, will be empty set, null set, or 5. Then 1, 2, 1 is a singleton, 2 is a singleton, and 2 element set, that is 1, 2. That is power set. Then question, I'm not discussing the question. Universal set. Everything together, whatever is in the discussion, everything covered there. It may have certain extra elements also, but I told you yesterday, when you have to write, you write only whatever the elements given to you in the question. If they are giving you universal set, they may give you something extra also. A set consisting of at least all possible elements which occurs in the discussion is called as universal set, and it is denoted by U, capital U. So be careful with U, and U type दूसरा sign भी होता है, that is union. So be careful with that. Universal set may contain more elements also. Now example, if A is 1, 2, 3, B is 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, and C is 1, 3, 5, 7, then universal set will be 1, 2, 3, all elements of A, 1, 2, 3. Now all elements of B, but 2 is repeated, so omit that because we don't write in the set repeated values. Then 4, 5, 6. In the next set, 1, 3, 5 is repeated, 7 is only unique, so 7, and that is can be taken as universal set. But universal set may have extra values also when they give you. Then Venn diagrams. Most of the relation between sets can be easily represented by means of diagram, and which is known as Venn diagram. Then we saw here union, then intersection, subtraction, minus, okay, symmetric, subtraction. A is 1, 2, 3, B is 3, 4, 5, and U is, look at U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra दिया उन लोग ने, दे सकते हो लोग. If they are giving you, so if you are asked to find out universal set of A and B, then you will write in curly bracket U is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. You will stop at 5. But they are giving you, so they may give you extra also. On the diagram, this is A. A is having 1, 2, 3. B is having 1, 2, 3. 3 is common, so you don't write twice. Okay, it is shown as in the intersection point, and then U. Universal set is always shown by a rectangle, and all other sets are shown by circles. Operations on sets and Venn diagram for them. Union of two sets. Full area of A, full area of B, including the intersection point also. That is union. Entire shaded portion is A union B. Then intersection. The shaded portion here is intersection. And difference of two sets. A minus B and B minus A. This is A minus B. This is B minus A. They are not same. Then symmetric difference shown by a triangle type sign is denoted by A symmetric difference B and A symmetric difference B. Okay. It is shown like this. Symmetric difference. Then complement of a set. Outside A, shaded portion is A dash, complement of A. then disjoint set. Those two sets, nothing is common in them. Then they are called as disjoint set. Two separate circles, disjoint. This is a question. We have done question yesterday. This also we did. In fact, we discussed all. Then this commutative law. No need in your study material. Nowhere they have given you the names. They have given the formulas. They have not given the name. But the name is commutative law. What it is? You do A union B, or you do B union A. It is one and the same. Same applies to intersection also. A intersection B or B intersection A doesn't make a difference. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And I give you example here. Addition वाला. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is also 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 5 is also 8. Change करके आंसर में फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So that is applicable for, that is called as commutative law. That is applicable for both, that is union as well as intersection, both. Then associative law.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें. और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
A union B in bracket and then union C, or A union in bracket B union C. That is, you do A union B first and then union of C, or you do B union C first and then A union to that. Answer will be the same. It will not change. I showed you example also. 4 1 plus bracket में 2 plus 3 bracket close, and then 1 plus 2 in bracket plus 3 doesn't make a difference. Also, distributive law. This is shown with a multiplication. X multiplied by y plus z is xy plus yz. That this would be De Morgan's law, that dash inside, when dash comes inside A dash B dash and union sign, it becomes reverse. Union dash U dash means it becomes, it's not union, it is then intersection. Okay, De Morgan's law it is called. Then identity law. A intersection U, A intersection U is A, and A union 5 is A. 5 means nothing. You are not like R. 5 plus 0 is 5. Similarly, there 5. 5 is nothing, null set. So A union U, sorry, A intersection U is A. Yesterday I explained you also. Complement law. A union A intersection. A means whatever inside. Union A dash means whatever outside. Whatever inside plus whatever outside of A together will make a universal set. So U. Okay. Then A intersection A dash is null. What is inside A and what is outside A, intersection of that, null, nothing. And A dash dash is nothing else but A. A dash means complement of A. What is outside? Now you are outside. Again complement. So inside. Andar bar andar. That way. Then independent law. A intersection A is A. A का intersection आपने A के साथ किया तो आंसर A ही आएगा. Everything is common. And A union A is also A. Okay. And then that exercise 5A. Okay. 7A, sorry. Exercise 7A. So let's go to that exercise 7A. Wherever you have problem, I'll discuss them. If you want me to discuss all, let me know. I'll do it without any hesitation. All sum or only where there are difficulties. Just 3 answers you give me, or 5 answers you give. Difficulties only, okay? Only difficulties. 2, 3 more answers I am expecting. If you want all, you say all. Difficulties, so majority difficulties, not all. Okay. Easy it is, right? Was it easy? Comparatively easy, na? Yes. Okay. Your chapter 7, right? Yeah, I'll ask you. Wait one sec. Wherever you are out, I'll ask you. Whatever fits in. Let me make the screen also bigger. Okay. Here on the screen, 1 to 8 is fitting. Any doubt from 1 to 8? Yeah, which one? Which one? 1 to 8. Doubt? Type the question number. 1 to 8. If it's no, well, no. No doubt, you say no. ND, at least you say no doubts. ND for no doubts. Okay, good, good. 1 to 8, no doubts. 9, 10, somebody was saying earlier. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, it is related to that question. Main question is above. Right? Here. Okay. Okay, 9 and 10 both I will discuss. Just one second. Nine and 10. Here. Main question comes here. Using question 7 to 10. If P value of P is given 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. That is value of P. Okay. Q 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Universal set S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So universal set is having 1 to 15. Agreed? Name of the universal set is S. Name of the universal set is S, and it is having value. All the values are there from 1 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 elements. Okay. P is 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there. 5 is there, 6 is not there, 7. And then Q is 1, 3, 6, 10. And now Tejal was asking me this question. Okay. Do you have doubt with that? What it is? It is P dash. That sign is dash actually, not 1. Or even if it says 1, it is dash. Now Tejal, have your doubt? Still your doubt? P dash, whatever outside P. P dash. So now discussing, so I'll discuss. That is another way of showing it. P1. If you don't want to show P dash. Okay. So whatever outside P. What is there in P? 1, 3, 5, 7. So what is outside P? The others. Total in universal set. Yeah, in universal set 15 are there. And in P, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 5 are there. So what should be the answer? What should be the answer? Tejal, you only give me the answer. 10. यूनिवर्सल सेट में कितने 15 है ना, और ए में कितने 5 है, सॉरी पी में कितने 5 है, तो आउटसाइड पी 10. सिमिलरली द नेक्स्ट वन क्यू डैश. क्यू में कितने जन है 1 2 3 4 5. तो क्यू का आंसर भी 10 ही आएगा. So 9 and 10 both. Okay, so is that clear? Okay, the doubt was because of a 1. Okay, मेरी गलती है, मैंने बोला नहीं हो. डैश को आप 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. डैश को आप 1 भी, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स को आप 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. जनरली कोई लिखता नहीं है. Here they are writing it. Generally we write P dash only. Any 11th one? Any doubt with 11th? No doubt, say ND. Okay. The next lot is 12 to 19. Any doubt from 12 to 19? Yeah, 13 there. 13. Okay. 14 also. 13, 14 also. 17, 18 also. 17, 18 also. 16 also, 13 also. 13 already over. 16 also. Chalo, let's start. If anything is left out, let me know at the end. Okay, 19 also someone is saying. Okay, 19. Both question हो गया. 19. If I'm not wrong, first question was 13. So let me read 13 what it is. 1 minus minus 1 raised to x for all integer x is a set. What do you mean by integral x? Integral x means integer values of x. Those who are having doubt on 13, integer values of x. What are the integer values of x? Integer value can be positive, integer values can be negative. Is that clear first? Integer values can be positive, integer values can be negative also, it can be 0 also. Any number without decimal point, क्या बोला जाता है? Any number without decimal point is integer. Positive, negative, 0 चलेगा. Is that clear first definition? Those who are having doubt just reply. Integral value का मतलब क्या हो गया? Positive, negative, 0 चलेगा, point नहीं होना चाहिए. 1.5 is not integer. 1 is integer, 2 is integer, 3 is integer, 4 is integer, and infinite. Similarly, minus में भी -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Okay, infinite. 0 भी integer है. इतना तक तो समझा? अब क्या करने का? उन वैल्यू को डालो उस इक्वेशन में और देखो क्या होता है. Integral value of x. Let's take value of x. Okay, value of x. First, you'll have to solve it. -1 bracket में x बोला है. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4 first. Then okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 first. So what will happen? -1 raised to 1. क्या आंसर आएगा? Bracket will be solved first. -1 raised to 1. Answer. You'll have to solve bracket first. -1 raised to 1 is -1. अभी 1 minus 1. वो पहला 1 है ना? Okay. One sec. I'll take care. What is the equation? 1 minus 1 raised to x. Let me write here. The equation is 1 minus in bracket -1 raised to x. One sec. I'll take that x up